In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open a live trading account with Pepperstone the right way. Follow these quick steps to get started with real trading. Let's get started. First, go to pepperstone.com or open the Pepperstone app, then sign into your account using your email and password. Next, in the dashboard, make sure you're in the live section and not demo, so you open the correct account type. Then, click Add a Trading Account to start creating your new live account. Now, fill up all the required details like your preferred trading platform, MT4, MT5 or C-Trader, your leverage level, a nickname for your account, and your base currency. Finally, set a strong password for your new live account and click Submit to complete the process. And that's how to open your Pepperstone Live account. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple trading tutorials. See you next time!